Today, we're going to build WALL-E using 15 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a Travis brick, and the big hole on the bottom of the Travis brick is going to be the back of WALL-E, and that means this will be the front. And on that front stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece in yellow and just put that in front to be kind of like that trash compactor that he's always gathering up all the junk on Earth and making into little cubes. And so I'll be using lots of light bluish gray and yellows and dark grays to get that kind of weather-worn look from WALL-E just cleaning up the Earth for hundreds of years. And so once I've got that trash compactor, that 1x1 tile piece on front, on the bottom stud, what will be our bottom stud, I'm going to grab a T-bar, one of these T-bars, and just put that T-bar into the hole of our bottom stud and push it all the way in. And this is where we're going to put our tank treads that WALL-E moves around. And for the tank treads, we're going to grab one of these pneumatic lift arms, these 1x2 lift arm pieces, and the back hole is going to go on the side of our T-bar and just put it all the way in there so we've got those tank treads and it's kind of facing forwards. That little open hole is forward. We're going to do that to both sides to create the tank treads that WALL-E goes on. And now we got to do his arms. And for his arms, we're going to get a 1x1 plate or tile with clip on top and put it so those clips are facing up and down. So I just put it on that side stud and the clips are facing up and down and WALL-E to both sides. And once I have those attached, we've got to make sure that wasn't too far up. Once I have it attached, I'm going to connect the arms. And to do the arms, what I need to do is I'm going to grab one of these mechanical claw pieces and a 1x1 round plate with hole in the stud. And I'm going to put it so that the stud goes towards the claw, and I'm just going to push it all the way in. And once it's all the way in, I've kind of got that dark bluish gray, the yellow, I'm putting on this light bluish gray clip to create one of WALL-E's arms. So I've got that little bit of the claw piece sticking out on the back of the bar. And I just put it into the clip like that. And I do it to both sides. I've already got this arm kind of wrapped, done just to save time. I'm going to stick it in that clip. And I've got WALL-E's body completed. Now I'm going to do that head, that iconic head of WALL-E's. And to do that, I'm going to start with this 1x1 round plate with 1L bar and stick the 1L bar into the top hole of our stud. Now I do not want to put it all the way down because I want to get that long neck of WALL-E. So don't put it all the way down, just make sure it's secure and it's not going to fall out. And once that's done, I'm going to grab one of these 1x2 rounded plates and I'm going to put it so that the center anti-stud there on the back of this rounded top plate piece goes into the front stud of my 1x1 plate with the 1L bar like this. And I've got the WALL-E's face coming to life. And now I just need his eyes. And to create the eyes, we're going to get these 1x1 translucent clear tile pieces and just put them on each of the studs in my 1x1 rounded plate here. And here I've got a completed WALL-E to do a little earth cleanup, fall in love with Evie, save the human race. You know, just a simple task for a cleanup droid.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.